Hello friends, welcome to my channel All in One with Pradnya. Today we are going to make a watermelon flavored ice cream. If you like this recipe, then please give a thumbs up, share this recipe with your family and friends, and please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need watermelon cubes, a cup of sugar and a whipped cream. If you don't have whipped cream, then you can use fresh cream also. First of all, take a mixie jar, then add watermelon cubes in it, then a cup of sugar, and let's grind it. Our watermelon juice is ready. Now I am adding whipped cream in it. After this, I will grind it again. Ice cream mixture is ready. Now pour this mixture into an airtight container. I am adding some watermelon cubes also. And freeze this mixture for 12 hours. After 12 hours, our ice cream is ready. Let's check it. Lovely. Now let's scoop it out. If you don't have scooper, then you can use this spoon also. Here our watermelon flavored ice cream is ready. Garnish it with some almonds and nuts, or whichever you like, and then serve it.